Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can access Claude AI agentic coding tools. So if you need these extra tools for your agentic tools, you can access them straight away from Claude. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Claude account. And once you are here, go to your profile icon down below and choose settings. From settings, you'll be taken to this settings sidebar menu. Go ahead and choose Claude Code. Here you are told Claude Code is an agentic code tool that lives in your terminal, and this will help you understand your code base and even help you code faster through natural language command. However, there is a caveat that you need to upgrade your account either to Max or Pro for you to be able to access these Claude agentic coding tools. So for my case, I'm on a free account and therefore I'll not be able to access them. But for your case, now from here, you should be able to access the Claude Code tools. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.